everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. Today we are going to be making a mattifying body lotion. I've been getting a lot of messages for making a lotion which is absolutely non-sticky, non-greasy and very easily which gets absorbed in the skin. So today we are going to be making this mattifying lotion. I'm going to quickly tell you all how we are going to make this lotion. The basic lotion recipe will be shared in the description box. For these more advanced lotions that I make, you all can definitely connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box for the workshops. I do teach how to make all these advanced formulations during my workshops. So we'll quickly start with the making of this mattifying body lotion. So here I have both my phases ready. This is my water phase. Now in my water phase I have taken my water and I have taken some glycerin as my humectant. Here is my oil phase. In my oil phase I have my oils, I have my waxes, I have my silicones. Everything is in my oil phase, and these are the silicones that are going to help make the mattifying lotion absolutely non-sticky and non-greasy on the skin. It gives you a silicone soft after feel on the skin without that greasy or heavy effect that you feel on your skin. So to make this lotion we are going to go ahead and heat both the phases. I'm going to heat the water phase and the oil phase, and then we will go ahead with the recipe. Okay, so I have gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my water phase into the oil phase, and we'll give this a blend. Okay, so now this has got well blended here. We've blended all our ingredients, our oil phase and our water phase. It's not yet thick right now, it's getting thick, and after 24 hours you'll get a proper lotion consistency, a very nice lotion pourable consistency. So now I'll quickly go ahead and add my extracts here. Since this is a very soothing body lotion, so I'm going to be adding chamomile and calendula extract to this. My calendula extract and chamomile, these are very soothing and moisturizing for the skin. And I will go ahead and add my preservative here. You can add phenoxyethanol, it's a very broad spectrum preservative. And I'm just going ahead and adding a few drops of rose fragrance oil. And now we'll go ahead and just mix this well. So we have our lotion ready here. This is an absolutely mattifying lotion, non-sticky, non-greasy on the skin. Right now, it's still going to take some time for the consistency to thicken into a good lotion consistency, and this will only happen after 24 hours. So whenever you all make any lotions or creams, please check the consistency only after 24 hours and then do any modifications to your formulation. Otherwise you will end up with a very thick lotion or a very thick cream if you go to add more thickeners at the time that you have just made the product. So this is a product that we have here. You can use colors, you can use pigments, you can use any nice colors to enhance your lotion. And once the lotion thickens and we get the final consistency, I will show you all how the lotion looks. Okay, so now it's been a couple of hours that I have just left this lotion here, and now it has got a very nice consistency. It's getting thick, if you all can see how the consistency is, and this is even going to get a little more thicker now, but before this gets too thick that it is difficult for us to pour it in the container, we will now go ahead and pour this into our container. So this is the lotion that we have made today. and it's an absolutely soothing body lotion. You can apply it on your body, you can apply it on your hands, legs, and it is extremely soothing and mattifying, where you will not feel greasy, sticky once you apply this on your skin. And for those who would like to learn these advanced formulations, if you want to sell your products, y'all can contact me on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. And if you do like the videos that I share, if you all want me to come up with more new innovations, please do like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends as well, so that I can come up with much more good videos for you all. Thank you so much everyone.